yidopa tukubasirani zimene maiko usi wapeza ku Escom atapita kukaendera lero pa 26 July 2024 kupitiriza ntchito yake yoyendera ntchito komanso ma project aboma. Maiko usi anaenda chonchi atapita lero ku Escom ku Blantyre.
Floor number 5. Floor number 5. Bwana Ogwira. Iwe. Bwana. Floor number 5. Make sure. Floor number 5.
Floor number 5 ndio huko.
Kumpemba, no problem. Kuma amina magana na credits aliko. Ma credits.
Ma credits.
Purchasing, yes.
Yes, I know sabanga now agent.
But who is there? It's not possible that everybody can be out.
No, not necessarily.
Yeah, so just call on the you guys.
I will do that.
Please.
But you're most welcome.
Dr. Moza.
No, that's fine. Let me just if he's there, then I'll give it to him. Yeah, I'll do some age.
Morning.
We need to make more security tangi. Kumana banda mafuna bei Mnogo kuligari yese kama? Kuno kuligari na social media. Mama nikianza social media na so yali ndipo. Ya mama nikianza. Achukua social media. What's the name of it now? Chibu. Chibu bang happy there. Chibu, I think. Vice President Logo. The pompa no abatsile. Please.
Now, Ogwira.
I decided. Pompa no John the Pakistan. Yes.
No, it's okay. Because now we have okay. You just department here. What I'm saying is, all the people are going there.
No, they're in different meetings.
No. What I'm saying is, building, you know, what you're saying is, also finance, also. Kashia.
We have the personal assistant our personal assistant.
Hello, when I was in branch. You know. About the training. Or body meeting. Shabulino. Ndiye office kuno mulibe aliyese amene amagwira ntchito ndi mukachoka ali kuti a chief accountant Just hold on. Alipa Kinyama, Chief Accountant. You know, for no information. So what I'm here with ngati kuopyeza kutani ndikuita ntchito limodzi we are a team, so I wanted just to appreciate some information about Panga Bani. Number C, Malawi, they want transparency, you know, and accountability. So as a government, I'm so very access to information. So about to find the information in there. There are some gaps. I advise you these issues are being addressed by government, where we see is easy, unprofessional, also see what course of action should be taken. So every Malawian is looking at us. You know, it's also part of knowledge management, because what we are doing today, now they should know this is the way to go. It is not really to embarrass anybody at all. It's not about embarrassing anybody. It's about looking at what we have. Because what you have had it before I came here. So that's what it is.
Thank you so much.
Musabisa will say no. Let those people come. So, hello sir. Sina ibure mafuna musiba betu kulamkura kuno. Una kuti it's not about what is happening to just want to get some information. Africa Caribbean. Natokoza when we need you, we'll call you. God bless. Uyanga?
Yes, sir.
Phone yangu ingabikuiwa ngati kuti ndiyani. Yeah, you can be here, no problem. In Rwanda.
Come again.
What's your position here?
Okay. Chief accountant.
Oh, chief accountant. Yeah. Chief accountant.
Yes.
Yeah. Let's pass the creditors list.
Yes.
Creditors list, you know?
Yeah,
Red Lavera.
Yeah.
Okay. In the office one?
Yes.
In the computer?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the office.
Okay.
Yeah. February, March, April, May, June. Yes. See, but you are preso after 3 months.
No, after 6 months.
After 6 months, even 6 months is almost.
Yeah.
It's almost. Hi.
So this time of prayer was supposed to him.
What?
This time of prayer was
Creditors list.
Yes, my phone now.
Yeah, you know what I'm talking about.
Yes. Okay. So this is the one that I was working on. It's the same list. So
Oh, this is vendor aging.
Yeah.
What do you know?
they are creditors.
Creditors.
Yes.
These are aging.
Aging
Which means I'm not being paid.
No.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. So, but we're growing up with. Right now, I think there was a ring-fencing project. My business units within Escom. I also know there are sections. For example, head office in Wayoka. There's a distribution in Wayoka. And there's single buyer so in Wayoka. Transmission is in Wayoka. So, age reporting, your creditors. It's separate as well.
It's separate.
Yes.
Okay, let me just tell you exactly what I'm looking for.
Okay.
So you have those people that supply you my equipment, eh?
Yes.
Now, ordinarily you would say, or normally you would say, okay, if I came here and supplied this calculator to you, now we also have how can I supply calculator iyi napanga supply by today.
Yes.
Somebody comes to supplies calculator after 1 month or so. Mukafuna kulipira omwe magnitude.
Normally it has to be.
Yeah, I'm happy you're saying normally. Why do you say normally? It means you are here. We find people that came later, but they were paid first. Usia oyambilia.
It depends on the situation. For example, when we are building uja, no longer supply, right? Kumano, when I do some price adjustments. So, no account model is a committee trying to work on the normalizing the process, the IPTC, CBTA. So it can take some time. So you can't hold in an hour because we still see the path. Yeah.
Okay, that's understandable. And so Baker, Spamba Castle communication, what we are delaying your payment because of this price adjustments.
Yes.
Okay, how long should that take? Because by giving you the calculator, he has given you drama zake. It means this person, let's arguably, at zero. You have tied drama zake to Escom, right? You need to work with speed. Within drama zake, what business will you use in GFA? Don't beg it?
Yes, it's okay.
It's not for us to be arguing. I'm just simply sharing with you. And to whatever reason, I mean, I'm going to what's a priority? Whatever reason, depending on price adjustments, within that context, mutamangise. Yeti? Mutamangise. What would be the other reason for not paying them first come, first serve? I want you to be honest with me because I want to help you. Sometimes you do things because you conscious young. I don't like it. I should have paid this one, but they're asking me to pay this one. Why? Okay. Do you have those questions sometimes?
I think sometimes also it depends with.
Yeah, my question is
priority. For example, Tindima producers, which brings against Escom. Those guys have under first priority, right? So funding sometimes. When a correction, I think 1 year was some of.
But did you explain to these people? What you should know, even before supply, this is what you should expect. Either or because of the foreign factors, or you start to tell them these are the things that happen in Skandika.
Communications deal with suppliers.
Okay.
Right? Almost every now and again. For example, there was another one in Canada supply was savers about 2 billion. We can't pay outright 2 billion. So we agreed for them, okay, fine. Why can't we pay maybe in installments? Maybe Mwazizi will 500 million, Mwazizi will 500 million. Yeah. Because yes. We're explaining on the issue of liquidity Escom. We can't pay 2 billion at once. So in that sort of people also suffer.
Knowledge management. Can you give me about to sit out knowledge management system? In terms of how you keep your information, would you just by just pressing zimonekera kuti awawanda kujenko awanalipira kale sanalipidwe awalipidwa. Do you have it? Because you are here today, say in case mwenye would you know munja, somebody has to come and work here.
With the system?
In the system?
Yes.
Is it
just go in the system and you get those reports.
Yeah, we are here. Can we go to the system? Password yangu saya nani? Mzani niambie.
Yes, not having a fiber on. So, for example, so these are the licenses. In the distribution, so almost suppliers of distribution, they will appear under this licensing. Head office, they will appear under this licensing. Optified, in single buyer, in the systems and marketing, transmission.
Those are the categories.
Yes.
But what I want to see, where you have the program or the report that says these people have not been paid. You have said aging.
Yes. So let's say you go to head office. If you want to check aging of head office.
Aging.
Yes. Not moving about under reports. Reports status. You go to vendor aging. If you go there.
I know. Let's go there.
Okay. I'm here. So there's some parameters here. You can have the aging. Okay. Kuna data video that you updated. So this is the aging. Yeah. What's what I know. MBR is 5 months ago. Then this is the invoice date, which was booked in the system. Then here, this is monthly. So, of the group, you can select because Makala Morocco surprise, foreign surprise. So, you can select both foreign and local at the same time. Then just press OK. So this is the aging.
Yeah, this is where we were.
Yes.
Right?
Yes. So this aging, you want to sort, for example, that's Fred, you call them this amount of money, right? And the methodages, this is of to pay this one. Though this is not due, they would only due after 45 days.
Okay.
So one of the for the 90 and the 45 days are due for payment.
Okay.
Yes.
Another thing for you. As they age, will they attract more interest? As they age, so for example, you owed me today 23 million, right? So I've now qualified to be in the vendor aging category. Will that attract some more interest, or is going to be the original cost?
It will be the original cost, unless if you apply for price adjustment, there's some changes over there.
Oh, so what you are saying is, if I have aged at 20 or 21 million, after 2 years, I'll just get 22 or 21 million.
Yes.
Would we be happy with that yourself? If we are supplying?
That's why as Escom.
Anyway, but what I'm saying is, I'm not trying to accuse you.
Yes.
Yes. Put it back and say Malawi is better. Number one, those that have come first, as it be. Kubangira kuti asamakali mtramazanu tied here, as mukala kuja kuswajana tochita. I do know there are a number of factors why you cannot pay them. Come at least help them pangono unakuta samukala waiting for the money that is tied up here. That's number one. Number two, let us be ethical. In the hearts of your hearts, you know, unakuti ena malipidwa mofulumira because of many reasons. That you know, and from the smile, you agree with me. Unakuti ena mawudakuti yamadaiwe awa watali tele mofulumira awa watali tele mofulumira awa. Don't do that. First come, first serve. Imene is a piece of advice. We need to save Malawians like that. So good, I'm coming here to say, but what I'm saying is, let's try what is possible. In business. Can the local, can the foreign. But I will do it tomorrow. Because that I will do it tomorrow. Although today looks like yesterday, it's not a guarantee that tomorrow will be the same. You know, take it as a plea. My suppliers, there's a person attention. When the money is in circulation, you couldn't mind away. Now, when the money is just kept here, for whatever reason. Mpasini mwina mmodzi supplier ati ngatama zonse mozi zabiri pomwe enawo mukufunika mna 1 billion mupereka kwa 100 and yet you take 2 billion you give kwa mtu mmodzi. So it's like olemera azungulemererapo, ovutika azunguvutikirapo. Am I right? So zimene zozo muzikambirane mwauza management kuna kuti how can we achieve this. Malemba kuti vendor aging. I mean, you don't want to see vendor aging. If this is not you don't enjoy seeing vendor aging. You don't want to have vendor aging. You don't want to be paid like that. When I'm saying this, I'm not saying to you as a person. I'm talking to you as an organization. So don't take it personal. I'm addressing an organization. Because after this, I can meet you outside. They will just say, "But I'm better." Don't say, It's not about you. It's about this organization. It's not about me as a person. It's about the office I'm occupying. Your president. Now we need to serve the people better. Number 2. Mulidi katundu wambiri amene anagudwa kumanduka na Ntchto. Kandi pejeko kandi Escom kuno komano pali katundu amene amagudwa mopanda Ntchto. You know you're a young person. This is your country. Be patriotic. When I'm talking to you, I'm talking to all the people that are here. Muntu kandi ndani. Don't allow to kuweza kunoka tundu amene simufuna, but because akufuna ndalama. Because it has been in the newspapers, it's common knowledge. You should be part of that. By now, mwauza things also. Number 3, Mobemba. It's annoying. Unakuti waimba phone. Nakandi majani. Lines anu kuto. Ngati kuli 40 uime. Nje kima yaka ndi gadget ina yake. Kima yaka automated. Kima yaka. Ndiye ufuna magesi. Chizu kuuza kuti corruption chakuti muntu magesi akuchimira. Maybe uli ndi mwana wa asima kapena yai mayako afunika kariba magesi Afrika magesi fa kudala chakuti ndiye yokuyimba yuwa really test akuti no ndibe bakusa kuna atima kwesko ukuyimba ndiye amayanka machine machine yakayanga amatu ubigire kuti tupange transfer bina kwake. Ndiye before that I don't know whether you have changed that. Ndiye amayamba adverts corruption adverts easy. That is not fair. Muntu afuna awimba akufuna magesi. Kale lijatu tumangubwera konkuno kutuza kuti 40 namba atu ndi tukuyimbirana. Kwa pakali panopa tikamati technology. Technology iziposa zakale. Kumangata ndakuna kuti kale lijatu kaimba machansanga paka patukolwa ni machine is not good. So these are my 3 issues which muzipange consider, because we all depend on you. Magesi, they make or break the economy of the country. And I'm happy that here is a young man, IT, Maduro, Suleiman. So mkanize ziko, because there's no reason kuta mwa yezika sauka kusalipidwa tibi nyamata wanga tibweyo. Alwa chukulia zinakuta mwina kapena akula tibigiye. Kuma as vibrant, as young as you are, kumata kuna kutina I can't do this. So in room lipo, then hapa Blantyre in lipo. So don't spoil your CV. Mugire Ntchto ngati kuti mulungu ali amaba kuona. Because Malawians are complaining. Zinthu zisinthe. They want to change. It is us. And us shall mean you. Malawi yonse ndi pamutu pako as far as paying anthu ababa consent. So count yourself lucky and privileged. That's two friends that will say. I wish you the best and God with you. Thank you. Is it over? ¿Cómo? Solo un office mail yake kipewa majizo sa office mail yake. Baya yes. Tukoza actually. Ziko maswala.
anaendera kumaso anachezera ndi anthu ogwira ntchito ku Escom. Lero vice president anati akaone ntchito za boma zikuyenda bwanji ku Escom ya ku Blantyre, ndipo umu ndi mmene anayendera.